What's up, guys? My name is Daniel. I go by the Selling Sniper on YouTube and on Instagram. I'm here at a liquidation store. I have 3 of these in my city of El Paso, Texas. So this is store number 1. What I like to do is find products in there that I could flip on Amazon FBA. And from what I see, this is $2 day. What I seen on $2 day is I could find a bunch of books that people forget about. People don't see the value in books, and they just walk right past them. I scan them and I find profits in the $20 range, $50 range. Sometimes I find books in the $100 range. So let's see what we can do. I'm open to anything, not just books. So let's see what we find in here. Thank you guys for being here, and let's go. So I walk into the store, and like I said, I go straight to the books. There's a textbook right there. It's probably worth some money. So I see that, damn, it still has the homework or whatever from the previous owner. So let's take that out. It's got the Amazon return sticker on the back and multiple stickers from how many times it's been sold. And I'm just browsing through, seeing if there's any highlighting. I didn't see any highlighting. We got another book, and look, it's a medical book. So I already know just by looking at that book that it's worth money. I'm browsing through it. I see a bunch of highlighting, but that doesn't matter. On Amazon, I sell books with highlighting all the time. We're going to sell it as acceptable, and we're still going to make money. Look at that rank, 68,000. That tells me it's going to sell right away. Another flaw that I'll put in the description, it does not come with the access code. So this is an acceptable book. So this I didn't pick up because they were expired, and I'm not doing eBay as much, but these would have gone perfect on eBay for $2 a bag. They sell for $11, I believe, on Amazon, and their rank in groceries on Amazon is amazing. So I probably would have had a good eBay auction right here. See, that coffee would go good on eBay for auction, since it's barely, just the best buy date just barely went up, but I'm in Amazon FBA mode, so I'm gonna leave that, even though it's a really, really good deal. These pants, this brand, I sell all the time. So of course for $2, I'm gonna pick it up. So this is gonna be an open box listing on eBay. Sealed ink cartridges. So we got $53 ink for $2. We'll take it. I would love me a GoPro to shoot these YouTube videos. I don't even know what's the latest GoPro model, but look at this. We'll make $8. So let's throw that in the bag. Ranks under 100,000. The reviews look good. We'll take it. We'll take 4. So y'all saw me in there. I already knew what I was gonna get, and that's exactly what I got. Books and a pair of pants. And what else? Well, that ink, $53 brand new, but we'll sell it as open box on eBay. So pretty good little pickup real quick. Let's continue. Another liquidation store. Let's see what we find. So if y'all follow me on Instagram, the Selling Sniper _ resells, you can see I found so many books in this little section right here. I found books in the $100 range, and I sell them on FBA all the time. And I cut out all the technical difficulties I had with this phone to scan the books in this video, but let me show you what we got here. We got a book. It is ranked, let's see if it hurries up, selling for $24 brand new. So I'll probably come in like at $20. 23,000 in books is amazing. So this book I did not pick up, and let me show you why. I'm gonna scan it real quick. Of course, I use the Amazon seller app. It's free once you're a seller. I pay my $40 a month, of course, to be an Amazon seller. And This book is ranked in the 2 million range, which isn't bad, but it isn't that good. It hasn't sold in a while. Let's see. Under used, it's selling for real low. So I'm not even going to take that at all. All right, what do we have next? The tattoo textbook. That's a cool tiger right there. Now let's take the phone out. Let's scan it. You could even see my daily sales on that phone. All right, let's scan it. We got it. All right, there we go. 200,000 in books. That's really good. It's got a bunch of reviews, it looked like. 53 brand new. And no competition for it used, so I'm gonna send it in. So I'm just browsing to see if anything catches my attention, and I see the word psychotherapist, and I'm like, man, I gotta scan that. I've seen that anything to do with psychology sells. Let's give it a little look-see. 57,000 in books? Hell yeah. Man, I'm loving this. Brand new, 57. Used. Well, they're a little high on the used, but we'll come down like 52. We'll sell it for. Get in your new temporary home. And with this one, I see it says U.S. Grant, Ulysses S. Grant, a former president. So I wanted to scan this and see what we got here. And here's another tip for you new sellers. If the barcode on back doesn't scan, you can always scan the ISBN. So I know it's volume 2, so I'm going to type in that volume 2 ISBN number. Let's see what comes up. 239,000 in books. That's good. It's got 78 reviews. That's good. Brand new, $30. And there's nobody selling it used, so no competition. So right off the bat, I see that it's torn, but just by reading the title, I know this has to be worth money. So I'm gonna look it up, of course. And I already know I'm gonna sell it as acceptable because of the tears in it and the highlighting right there. But y'all are gonna trip out for what it's worth. Scan, 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 scan. 4,000 in books, instant seller, no matter what the condition is. 486 reviews. Used, $102. Brand new, $113. Jackpot. And for you newbies that don't know, you could also scan the front picture, the front cover, and the product will come out. So 62,000 rank. Amazing. The Space Trilogy. Let's see what it sells for. Hardcover book. 449 reviews. Awesome. Used. There's no competition. Brand new, 34. So we'll probably come in at like 30. When I get that feeling, I won't set you feeling. An example of a horrible rank in books, 22 million. There's like 40 or 50 million books, so that means it don't sell at all. So with this book, I'm gonna buy it. The rank's in 2 million, but there's no competition. And I looked at Keepa and it sells. So I'm gonna show you in the next item how to look at Keepa for you beginners. And even you people that aren't beginners, you should be using Keepa. All right, so when you scan this book, there's no rank, but the price is 154, which seems amazing, but if you do your research on Keepa, you'll see it has never sold ever. So I know it's never sold because the graph has no dips. If it had sold, there'd be a bunch of dips in the graph, and I even checked for its lifetime on Amazon. On this one, I was walking by and I see those TurboTax colors, and bam, look at that. Home and business. I open it up. I see that it's still sealed. I just gotta say, I love doing this all day, every day. This is the dream job, guys. All right, let's see what it is. It is ranked 123 in software. That's amazing. The reviews is in the 5,000s. And used 49.89. Hell yeah. So do you guys believe me yet that books are the way to go? Book after book after book. Let's see how much this one is. Scan. Scan, come on, scan. Scan. There we go. 178,000 in books. Brand new, $32. Used, the price is a little jacked up, but will come in the high 20s. I want to make different videos about different topics, but I'm just killing it with these books, man. If somebody watching likes crypto, I'm selling that crypto shirt on my Etsy shop, so check it out. Just some sales I've made. After all that liquidation store footage and book footage, I still managed to get some retail arbitrage done at neighborhood Walmart clearance. I did not buy any coffee, but I love selling coffee and tea, so I'm always checking, and I didn't find anything. Wah, wah, wah. So let's continue. Good old clearance. Not much, but let's see if I find anything. Well, y'all know I find something, so let's just browse a little bit. Nothing special. Food. So I got my first product. It's a New Orleans style fish fry, a grocery product. Y'all know I love selling groceries, so let's check it out real quick. So that's a pretty good rank for groceries. Under 100,000, $10.95. I'm buying them for $1.50. There's no sales tax in Texas on groceries. So let's see what we'll get. Only 2 sellers. Amazon fulfilled. Cost of purchase $1.50. $3.15 a box. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's like an easy $30 right there. I almost missed one. Easy money. So dollar day, I have like 32 bucks, 30 bucks. And I haven't got my Amazon payment today, which is like 500 bucks. So I'm gonna work with what I have and let's see if I find anything. Okay. It's missing the front cover, but I'm gonna grab it anyways. It's worth 50 bucks. So probably like 40 bucks used. I'm still gonna sell it like that. So I wanna show you guys that finding books in the $200 range for $1 is real. Check this out, I found it right here. Former rental. Even with that highlighting, will still be good. There's my giveaway box. I'm about to give it all to the person that won. I threw that in, a little 1080 camera. They get their scale and they get their dymo. So let me just show you all the books on Dollar Day. And I'm not gonna go over every one. This is the banger, the best one. But I will put a total profit on the screen so you have an idea of the type of money you can make. I got 2 of these. I think I got the other one up front in my car. There's that one, you saw that. I got 2 of these. One on $2 day, one on $1 day. There's that. There's the second one of this. Alrighty. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll keep putting videos out like this. Take care, guys. Thank you. That's cool. Yeah.